Hi everybody, I'm Danny. I'm back here at Children's Museum Houston, and my guest today is Miss Ellery. Ellery, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
And Ellery, tell us, what grade are you going into next year?
Second grade.
Second grade. Are you enjoying your summer so far?
Yes.
Now, have you been to visit us at Children's Museum Houston before?
Yes.
Welcome back. We are excited you are here. Now, do you enjoy doing arts and crafts activities at home?
Yes.
Excellent, because I'm going to ask for you to help us show our friends at home a very special craft. We are going to make our very own night shield. That's right, we're going to make a super fancy shield, and you can make that same fancy shield at home. So here at the museum, if you come to visit us this week, we'll have a whole bunch of different materials available, one of which is a piece of tag board. If you're doing this at home, you can just cut out like a cereal box or a cracker box. That'll totally work. We also have these lovely templates that we're using to trace a shield shape. But again, you don't have to have the template. You can just grab a marker and kind of make this general shape, or you can make your shield a different shape if you prefer. So we're going to start with that. Go ahead and grab any marker you'd like. And we'll grab our template. And we're just going to trace just inside the template onto our tag board. Cool, cool? All right, let's do this. All right. We have our shield shapes, and now we're just going to cut them out. After we cut them out, we're going to take a piece of aluminum foil and fold it around our shield shape, and then just tape it in the back to hold it in place so that our shields are extra shiny. Shall we? All right, let's do this. All right, we have covered our shields with foil. We've taped them up in the back. The next step is we're going to add a fancy little emblem or little symbol to the front of our shields. Now, here at the museum, we have these little lions already drawn. If you're making this at home, you could draw a lion, you can draw a star, you can draw your favorite animal. Really, you can draw anything you like on a piece of paper. You can cut out whatever it is you drew, and then we are just going to actually glue these right to the front of our shield. The last step is we're going to take just a strip of paper, any paper will do, and we're going to tape it to the back so that we have a handle for our shields, and we'll show you what they look like when they are complete. All right, you have your glue? Cool, I have my glue. Let's see if we can get our shields to roar. And we're done. Ellery and I have each made our own shields. Now my shield just has a little sideways handle I can hold on to with my hand. Ellery's shield actually has her handle going up and down so that she can put her whole arm through it. But we are both ready to defend the castle. We can also do which?
This one.
That makes it look like a bag or something like that too. That's kind of, so then we have an accessory as well as a super awesome protection.
You could use this for Halloween if you want to be a knight.
And a Halloween costume? Okay, wait, how else could we use these? I could wear mine as a hat. I bet there's other things we could do with these. We could serve somebody like a drink. Be like, here is your water. In case you get, this is obviously glue, so don't drink that.
You haven't drink it.
That's fair. All right, so I think we have come up with a whole bunch of awesome uses for these, and I'm sure you will as well. So, Ellery, thank you very much for crafting with me today. I hope you had fun.
I did.
Excellent. And friends at home, I hope you have fun making your own shields, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.